I'm for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise.
Welcome back, guys. So here with Nadula here once more. All right. We got the tote bag, the signature tote bag, and then we have the entire package in this drawstring bag. You know, the regular. So let's get into it. Oh wow. Oh wow. You see this clip up? What? No, tell me that Nadula never jump out for the collaboration here today. This is so girly. I'm not at that point in my life anymore where I have everything blinged out like this. But I think I should keep this to represent that phase in my life. This is too cute. This is too cute. It's a paddle brush. What a goodie. I love when I get me some really nice goodies, okay? Alright, so I got the hair, obviously, but guess what? No, I spy with my little eyes. I got my goodie bag right here. And I see some press-on nails in here. Okay, wait there. This is a nice French set. Wow, isn't this cute? It's a nice French. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my press-on collection. Cause what? Yeah. Nadula is bringing the heat. I love how they're stepping up their game. So I have a pair of HD wig caps, branded Nadula elastic headband, and then lastly in the box I have like a sample here of the texture wig that we're working with today, which we're gonna get into right now. So let's go ahead and get into the wig. This is today's wig that we're working with. Is a bob, all right, and this is their 7x5 lace closure. It's the HD lace closure by knots. It's a pre-bleached invisible knots bob that we're working with, guys, and it is a yaki straight texture. This is also a glueless wig. You guys know that them around the place heavy. This feels really good though, I can tell you. And definitely get the vibe from this. They're gonna have more of a natural looking type of wig installation, and for all the girlies who like to keep it toned down but still look sleek and, you know, very realistic, this wig is for you. Also, if you're looking for something very quick and easy to install, this is literally a slip on and go. You see how much space you're working with because this is a 7x5, and as I said, this is a yaki straight textured bob. So they did send the samples as I showed you guys. So this is a yaki straight texture and this is silky straight. We're working with the yaki straight. Now it is definitely thicker, like the feel of it is definitely on the coarser side. It feels more natural. It gives that natural vibe, like, you know, when you do a natural, like your natural hair, you blow it out and stuff. That's what a yaki straight texture gives you. A silky straight now is more like butter like, you know, still feels good, but this one is way more realistic. So they sent across the sample just so that you could, you know, kind of see the difference, and I hope it kind of translated on camera. In terms of the length and density, I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications in my description box, so please check that out. But already this wig, oh my gosh, you see that movement? I'm really pleased so far. It's a 1B color, very natural looking, and as it relates to the construction on the inside of the cap, this is what we're working with. I received a adjustable elastic band as well to apply to the inside of the cap to help it to be more secure. So there are also adjustable straps in the back here. So usually what I do is I crisscross it to make it very snugged. So yeah, I love doing that. And there's also a non-slip silicone strip to add to security. They only added one comb in the back, which this is great for the back of your head to keep around there very secure as well. So I think it's a great standard construction for the wig, and it feels great. I love the blunt cut vibe. Absolutely no shedding so far, so we love that. And yeah, let's go ahead. Did I show you that this is also pre-plucked? As I said, it's a pre-everything wig basically. It's pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, you know, nice invisible knots. And what that means is that the knots on the lace aren't as, you know, bulky as they usually would be, you know. So, you know, we love a realistic wig. So let's go ahead and jump into this very easy and quick installation. Okay, so that's how it's looking right off the bat. Once I slip it onto my head, it is so snug. Let's give it a shake. Absolutely love that. Nothing needed but the elastic band, and of course I applied the comb in the back, you know, in the back of my head. And now all I want to do is remove the cast. Usually first, before I do anything else, I'll go in and I'll cut away the portion of the lace that has absolutely no hair on it, that looks casty, because usually that helps. And you guys see me do this a lot since recently. Okay, it's not new, so you guys may know, say, I know that you must learn this by now. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and get my face powder, and I'm going to tap out whatever cast is left in the front.
Little sweet and spice, throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with the emotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want.
And that's how we're looking. It's looking good so far. The parting is lean. This is the parting that it came with. I'm just gonna go ahead and try, you know, attempt to straighten it. Not the best at parting, but I'll try. And I'm gonna pretty much just get the top, you know, more laid with my hot comb, and then run through the entire way with my flat iron. And I'll just fast forward through this portion.
With me. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side.
Wow, I haven't even like flat ironed this as yet, and this is how it looks like. You don't have to do anything to it. Straight out of the packaging. Oh my god, I just want it to be less bumped at the ends, like, if you guys understand, like. But this is gorgeous. Like, if that's flawless. Like, I know you see this. Come on, like, be for real right now. Like, this is a 10. What? Movement, everything. Yeah, man, I'm just being extra, but I'm still gonna just lightly go over throughout the entire wig with my flat iron nonetheless. It's gonna be real quick, because this is already nicely, like, styled and everything. The texture feels so strong and thick. this is a 10. This is a 10. Like, this is a 10. Nadula, like, guys, you've been seeing me with a lot of Nadula wigs since recent times. That's because they're stepping their game up. Like, they really have come such a far way, and I 10 out of 10 recommend this bob today. You know, we're drawing closer to springtime, and I feel like the more you ease into this time of year, you know, bobs are always a vibe. Always. And this is giving. Look at that movement. Look at that. That's like butter. Love that. You want them do them thing. This one. This is beautiful. Yeah, what more could you ask for? The lace looks good. No adhesive. The best part, no adhesive. Can we talk about that? How convenient this is? How beginner friendly this is? This is, you see what I meant though, why I wanted to get it, you know, have that straighter look, more sleek, more, you know? Yeah, the bump on the ends, it's still cute, but it's not my vibe. So, it's giving boss babe. Yeah, ready to put on my suit and go to my business meeting, period. I paired this with this really cute neutral glam. Bomb. Love it. Let me know what you guys think. I'll be sure to put the direct link to this video in my description box, so please go ahead, check that out. All specifications will also be listed. If you want this for yourself or a friend or just somebody else as a gift or whatever it might be, I think you're making a great choice, okay? Because I 10 out of 10 recommend this. 10 out, and then because of the Yaki straight texture too, it give off that natural vibe. A very nice natural blowout kind of vibe, and I'm here for it. So that's it for today's wig look. I hope you found this wig video informative. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumb up, share this video, like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I'm always bringing variety over here, like always. You can count on me, literally. So I've been doing this for a long time, so you guys know. If you know, you know. Yeah, and if you're new, yeah, I would advise you to join again, because it's always a vibe. Like, always putting you guys on to cute wigs and different looks. Like, this is my life, and I love exploring different looks. So yeah, but as I said for today's video, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye.